So recently I had a series of questions related to coconut oil. Some people are still, I don't know, a little nervous about consuming coconut oil, thinking it's poisonous based on some false information recently. So I wanted to just create a summary of exactly what coconut oil does. There's really three main things that it will do for you. And no, it's not bad for the heart. No, it's not a poison. It's been used by many cultures for hundreds of years without problem. There are a few cultures that literally consume 60% of their diet coconut-based, and they're really, really healthy. So coconut oil will boost the HDL, which is the so-called good cholesterol. I'm going to put a link down below, so if you're concerned about it messing with your heart, you can look at the study. It's quite impressive. All right, so coconut is a seed. It is the largest seed on planet Earth. It actually takes 3 years to break down in the soil before it can actually grow. All right, I want to cover the three significant benefits of using coconut oil. The first one, supporting your brain, okay? A significant amount of coconut oil is MCT, which means medium chain triglycerides. This is a type of fat that turns into ketones, okay? And your brain cells love ketones. Ketones actually protect the nerve and brain cells against stress. And it's been shown to help boost cognitive function and really beneficial in people with dementia and even Alzheimer's. There are three main fatty acids in coconut oil. The first one is caprylic, then capryl, and then lauric acid. So these acids are antibacterial, antifungal, anti-candida and yeast, and on top of that, antiviral, specifically lauric acid. Lauric acid is kind of a precursor to something called monolaurin, and I've done a video just on this alone as a supplement. Monolaurin has the capacity to dismantle and destroy the lipid layer or the fat layer around certain viruses. So this function really helps your immune system. Now, lauric acid is in breast milk, and unless you're an infant, you're not going to be able to get access to that. So we're going to stick with the coconut oil. All right, the third big benefit is giving you more energy. Why? Because MCT oil does not require digestive enzymes. It gets absorbed directly into the body. So the fuel that coconut gives you is, number one, fatty acids and ketones, okay? And fatty acids and ketones are a much more efficient fuel than glucose. In fact, per quantity, it will give you more ATP, and that's the energy currency that the body uses. So carbs does not give you the quantity of energy as ketones and fatty acids. All right, so I hope this summary kind of put things in perspective. These are the three benefits. It's not dangerous, it's not poisonous. I highly recommend that you start consuming coconut oil as part of a healthy keto plan. All right, thanks for watching. Hey, if you're liking this content, please subscribe now, and I will actually keep you updated on future videos.